Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reopen a snap that says open. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what we're going to do over here is we're simply going to go ahead and open up our Snapchat right over here. Once we have done that, we're going to go ahead and tap on this little chat icon given at the bottom. Then you can see this is the particular person that I've just opened the snaps of. I'm going to tap on it, and once I have opened, this is how the interface you can see looks like. You can see hold to replay or save. So once I have opened, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and hold on the message, and then I will find this option of replay. Tap on replay, and you can see you can replay any snap once, watch your replay immediately, or it will disappear. Tap on replay, and I can tap on tap to view, and I can check it out the snap again. But now again, if I tap on it, I will tap on this replay again, but it will not work since I'll have to purchase the subscription for me to see that again and again. So you have to make sure that the replay is only once available, and once you have lost a chance, you will not be able to again open up the snap that has already been opened. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.